Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 6-72 or 006-072-00. This is your 1 1/8 inch lock nut for your equalizer bolts. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is your 6-72 lock nut, 1 1/8 inch, typically used on the 1 1/8 inch equalizer bolt for 3-inch wide springs. So we have two different kinds of lock nuts. This one right here, you can see it has the locking right here on the top, and then we also have this other kind right here that has the locking right here. So two different kinds here, and they both have the same effect. So I'll just measure one out real quick. So the outer diameter is 1.63 inches, and the ID is going to be 1 inch, and it is 0.97 inches thick or tall. So these lock nuts would go in conjunction with the 007-170-00 or 7-170, and it's used for the equalizers. So you just put your bolt through the equalizer hole and then put on your lock nut, and that's typically what these 1 1/8 inch bolts are for, is for using them with the equalizer that uses the 3-inch wide leaf spring. If you need some of these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.